Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the process costing sums. So process costing to manufacture on product, a raw material needs to pass through many stages in a predetermined sequence, and that every stage is called process. And the goods produced will be an identical one. It will be homogeneous product will be produced. Okay, so for example, to manufacture a product, imagine the raw material needs to pass through 5 stages. Okay, only then it will become a finished product. So in that case, the output of the first process will become the input of the second process. So in second process, there will be some output. So the output of second process will be the input of third process. It will go on like this till it converted into the finished product. So now we will start with the sum. The following information is given in respect of process A. Material 1000 kg at rupees 6 per kg, so which means 1000 into 6, the material cost is 6000. Labor 5000. Direct expenses 1000. Indirect expenses allocated to process A is rupees 1000. Normal wastage is 10% of input. So we should prepare the process account in two different cases: when the scrap value of normal loss is nil. The second case is when the scrap value has the sale value of rupees 1 per unit. So now we will start with the process A account when the scrap value is nil. Okay, so we will start. So first, so I have given the heading when scrap value is nil, process A account. So we need to give 6 columns. Okay, so first we will start to material. How many kgs? 1000 kgs. So 1 kg cost rupees 6, 1000 kg will cost 6000. The next item is to labor. So to labor, we have 5000 rupees. Need not fill anything in per kg column. Okay, so only for material is given. So we should fill only for the material. Then third item is to direct expenses, rupees 1000. Okay, so material, labor, that expense is done. We have one more expenses given here. Indirect expenses allocated to process A is rupees 1000. Okay, so two indirect expenses, that is 1000 rupees. Okay, by normal wastage. So normal loss, abnormal loss, both will be recorded on the credit side. So normal loss. How much is given? 10% of what? Of input. Input is how much? 1000. So 1000 into 10% will become 100 kg. Okay, so here the scrap value is nil. Nothing is realized from the sale of normal wastage. So there is nil. So we are giving nil here, hyphen here. Okay, so what will be the output here? That will be transferred to the next process, which is process B account. Okay, so when you balance it, so 1000 kg, so 6 plus 5 plus 2, it is 13,000. Okay, so when we balance it, the balancing figure will be, so 1000 minus 100, it will be 900, and the rupees will be 15,000. Okay, so this is the output of process A, and then that will be transferred to the next process. Like say for example, process B. So we are written by transfer to process B. Okay, so when we are starting with process B, first we will write to transfer from process A 900, 13,000. Only then we'll start recording the expenses, normal loss, abnormal loss, etc. Okay, so this will be the starting point for the next process because this is an input of the next process, correct? So we have done with scrap value is nil. Now let us find out the cost per unit. Okay, so 13,000 rupees divided by how many kgs? 900 kgs. So how much we will get? 13,000 by 900, we will get 14.44. Okay, so cost per unit is 14.44. Now we will do the second case when the scrap value is rupees 1 per unit. So we will write the heading process A account, then we'll give 6 columns, then we will record all the expenses. So we have material 1000 kg at 6 rupees per kg, it has become 6000. Then labor we have 5,000, then we have direct expenses, 1,000, then we have indirect expenses, 1,000. Okay, so when it is coming for a normal loss, okay, normal loss 10% of input is given here. Normal wastage 10% of input. So input is 1,000. So 1,000 into 10% we got 100. Okay, so now the scrap value is rupees 1. How much we have realized from the sale of normal wastage? Rupees 1. Okay, so we have 100 kg. So 100 rupees into 100 kg into rupees 1, we are getting 100 rupees. Okay, I repeat, rupees 1 is what we have realized from the sale of normal wastage for 1 kg, and we have 100 kg. So 100 kg into rupees 1, we are getting rupees 100. Okay, and that will be, and the balance will be transferred to process B. This is, so now what we are doing is process A account under the different case when the scrap value is rupees 1. So now when you balance 1,000 and 13,000 is the total, correct? So now when you balance 1,000 minus 100, it has become 900. Okay, so 13,000 minus 100 will become 12,900. Okay, so by transfer to process B, 900 kg, rupees 12,900. So this will be the input for the next process. So when we are starting with the next process account, say for example process B, then we need to start with this step. The starting point will be to transfer from process A 900 units, I mean 900 kg, rupees 12,900. Okay, so now when we find out the cost per unit, so cost per unit equal to, so we have cost of rupees 12,900 divided by, we have kg, 900 kg. So 12,900 by 900, we will be getting 14.33. Okay, so now when you see, when there is no scrap value, when we haven't realized anything from the sale of normal wastage, then our cost per unit is rupees 14.44. So when we realized some value from the sale of normal wastage, so here we have realized rupees 1 from the sale, correct? So we have got the cost per unit as 14.33, which means the cost is reduced to some extent from 14.44 to 14.33. Right? So this is how we need to prepare the process account. Thank you.